blabbering is annoying the other droplets!
So you want us
She
to...
wants us to make the chatterboxes shut up, and then her cousin droplets will give you a gift to say thanks!
I can't believe we were so far ahead, and now we're in dead last.
It's over. It's... Oh, it's really over. What's that?
They remembered us. Swim up the stream, you guys.
It's the Beastport comeback of the century!
What? We have to eat islands?
Yeah, like them.
Tastes bad! Tastes bad!
It does? Probably because of all that gunk in your mouth. Let's brush it out.
That bees can recognize faces? I read somewhere and I thought
Yo,
that was so
Whistle,
cool.
you're
Speaking of bees,
being
I tried hunting from a local
obnoxious.
farm today, and it was
Honeydrop
amazing.
doesn't like that.
It's time to be quiet!
Oh yeah, what if I don't want to be quiet?
No!